Software plus services lets us get into a different business model than we're in today. Today, the basic business model Microsoft has is you license our software, you own it, you can use it forever, it never goes bad. That's a very, very customer-friendly model. It is the most customer-friendly model on the planet. If you buy a copy of Office 2007 today, you pay us some money, typically $129 in the United States, and you own that software. You never have to pay us again. I have to build a really good product to convince you to pay us again. That's a nice model. I love that model. I think people have forgotten how nice that model is. It's very different than basically every other model in the world. Coca-Cola doesn't have that model. You drink a Coke, you got to buy another one. Right? You can't use it forever. It's gone. And so when you move to a services world, there's a very interesting transition that happens. It's called subscription. If you sign up for Google's services, you're paying them forever. As soon as you stop paying them, mail stops working. As soon as you stop paying them, you can't get your documents anymore because they're all up in the cloud, you don't own it. So for customers and for Microsoft, this basically goes back to the power of choice. Do you want the benefits of being able to buy the software, run it yourself, and completely own it? That's our traditional model. If you say, no, you know what? The cost of the software is only one part of it. There's also major people cost and hardware cost to me running my own running my own servers. I want to get out of that business. I don't want to buy servers anymore. I don't want to run servers anymore. I want you guys to do that for me, and I'm totally willing to pay you a monthly fee forever to just know that that's available. Much more like a telephone company, much more like a utility that you just pay for, and it's gonna be something you have to pay for. So it becomes much more of a subscription model than a single purchase, point-in-time purchase model. And there are benefits and trade-offs to each one of those models, as customers will tell you. It also, of course, lets us get into the ad world. It lets us get into ad-funded software. And if there's one thing Google has done that's the most innovative thing they've done, it's building an advertising platform to monetize their search business. It's the one-trick pony that they have delivered in an amazing, amazing way. And so this, getting into the world of services, allows us to say, hey, we can build an advertising platform as well. We can actually provide a great alternative to the Google monopoly of the ad platform, and we can provide software that has no end-user cost, but is monetized through advertisements. Now that's typically much more of a consumer play than a business play. If you talk to just about any business and you say, hey, would you actually like your workers to be typing in Word and see an ad while they're typing? When they type in the word mortgage, do you want us to pop up an ad that invites them to go to Wells Fargo Bank and renew their mortgage? They will say, no, thank you very much. I'd actually rather pay you for software with no ads than not pay you for software with ads. Maybe that changes over time. It's totally possible. So this is an opportunity for us to build that technology, have that flexibility with all of our software.